direction. Just where we'll point that bow, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over there.
What's up, lifers? I hope I'm in frame. Trying to look at the camera and all that. Okay, if y'all seen the shorts, I had a total failure of the driveway the other day. Like Tuesday, we got like 8 inches of rain in about 6 hours. After not getting any rain for 6 months. So, I got it fixed, but during the process of me fixing it, I got a phone call from Lou at L&M. And he said he was sending me something to help me. He was tired of watching me do it the way I was doing it. So I don't have any idea what it is, but he told me then I would probably be through with it before he got it to me, and he was correct. But I'm gonna bring y'all along when I open it. And I want to say thank you to Lou and M for helping me out. They helped me out with promoting my videos. They see me in a bind, they helped me out. I appreciate it. Anybody wondering, I patched the driveway. It is definitely not fixed. I've priced what needs done, and it's probably gonna be a few months. It's gonna cost me somewhere around $2,500, somewhere in there to get it done. That's renting a piece of equipment, getting the 2 culverts I need, getting a load or 2 of dirt and a load of gravel. It's gonna be kind of expensive. Probably close to $3K, but we ain't worried about that right now. We can get in and out. Alright, I'm finna bring y'all along as I open this and we see what it is. Sorry about any noise, you know, because the highway and the wind and gunner wasn't enough, so I decided to get guineas so it can get loud out here. Let's see what we got here. It's green. Smells like it came out of the garden. Got a gardening smell. How about that? Do y'all know what a gardening smell smells like? It's got tires. It's got tires. At least 2 tires. Got some kind of mountain hardware. Trying to get to a guide. I see instructions, but I really don't want to pick them up. Okay. Easy tip garden cart. Assembly and instructions. We know we're not going to use those. Okay, it's got an axle. I see an axle. It's got 3 wheels. It's a tricycle. I figured it out. It's a tricycle. That's what I've been wanting. Damn it, it's a tricycle with a spare, maybe. Y'all think that's what it is? I would have been here all day if I would have looked up there. Okay, it's a wagon. It's a wagon. Not a tricycle. I'm kind of disappointed. I sure want my tricycle. know I said we weren't gonna look at the instructions. Yeah, there's a lot. I'm gonna have to rearrange some stuff. It's kind of bigger than what I thought it was. And I'll bring y'all back here in a second. Okay, lifers, we ran into a few problems right here. First off, that's instructions. That's all of them. That's it. That's the name of it too, so if you're gonna try to look up on a video on that, good luck, I done tried. It didn't come with anything else in the box. Now don't get me wrong, the box had a big ass hole in it. It could have got missing. But there's a certain spot where it shows some holes are supposed to be that there's definitely not any. But I think this wagon works as two. This exploded view works for two different ones. Maybe one that don't tilt and it's just a wagon, and one like this one that does tilt. So we're gonna go with that. I'm finna start assembly, and we'll see how far I get. Now, I won't see what time I started. I started at 1 o'clock. We haven't got anything put together yet, but it's like 1:32 right now. So we finna try, and I'll bring y'all along as I get stuff done. I may put you on time lapse. All right, we've been complete for about 15 minutes. Lou, I sure appreciate it. Em, I sure appreciate it. I know you were talking to me while I was doing it, but I'm ready. Hey, sports fans, y'all check this shit out. Oh, yeah, we ready. We ready. I'm gonna give you an actual time, how long it took me with. Keep in mind, this one ain't got no instructions. I ain't sure if I'm in frame. I'll get back to you. All right, y'all got a bunch of time lapse on this video. I'm gonna try to shorten it down, but it took a long time to put together. And I got it together in the nick of time because it looked like we finna get a Hurricane Charlie blow in up here. It's getting black back to the southwest. I don't remember what time I said it was when yeah, I do. 12:30. And I finished it at about 3:15 because it's 3:22 now. Not bad with no instructions. Very little mechanically inclined, that's me. I had to get Harley to help. I had to get my mama to help. But it's done. And we're ready to, hell, I can haul chicken feed in it. I can haul water in it. I can haul leaves in it. I can haul logs in it. I don't know how long it'll hold up to me hauling a bunch of logs, but we're gonna find out. It's going through a torture test because everything I own goes through a torture test. But I appreciate it. Like I say, L&M, thank y'all. Y'all do so much for me. I appreciate it more than y'all know. And we're gone.